NC0 equal to NCN is 1, NCR is NCN minus 1. Now what is this? NCR is NCN minus 1. What does it mean? It means that, before that let me tell this. Suppose I want to find out 10C2. Okay, we need to get 10C2. So we are using this formula actually, but instead of using that formula, an easy shortcut is that here look at these two numbers. Here whatever number comes in the denominator, that number, whatever number comes here, that number till 1. From that number in the descending order right up to 1. Suppose here it is 8. Then here it will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 like that. Okay. So if 2 is here, then 2 into 1. If 3 is here, I will write here 3, 2 and 1. And in the numerator, what you have to do here, now this number 3 shows that in the numerator you must have 3 numbers starting with 10 in the descending order. 10 से लेके descending order में 3 numbers. So that is 10 into 9 into 8. Okay, or if you are going to use this formula, what does it mean? N factorial, 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 10 minus 3, 7 factorial. Then you have to simplify all that. Okay, so instead of doing that one, we are using this. Okay, then so simplifying this one, you will get the answer. That means 3 3s are 9 and here it is 4, 4 3s are 12, 120 is the answer. Okay, so this is one easy technique to find out the combination, means permutation combination. In combination we use this easy technique. Suppose I want to find out now 100C2 or 100C98. Then it means that in the denominator you have to write 98, 97, 96 like this up to 1. In the numerator, what you have to do? Numerator we have to write means 100 into 98 terms. 98 terms you have to write. 100 from starting from 100, 99, 98, like this up to 3 you need to write.
98 फैक्टोरियल कट कर सकते हैं ना?
Wait. So here you need to write up to this one using this method. Okay, but instead of using that one, so here this 100C98 I will write as using this property. NCR is NCN minus R. So this is nothing but 100C2. So you need to just write denominator 2 into 1, numerator sirf 2 numbers. So that is 199. Okay, so when you simplify this one, you will get the answer. So this property, this one we use in various places. So NCR is NCN minus R. So especially in binomial theorem, this is very useful. Suppose if I want to find out 10C7, then this 10C7 will be equal to 10C3. Okay, 10C3 already we will be having in the first, second, third term like that 10C3. So when 10C7 you want to calculate, that is why whenever you calculate, whenever you use binomial theorem, suppose if I am writing a plus b the whole raised to 4, it is a raised to 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube plus b raised to 4. This is a plus b the whole raised to 4. If you look at the coefficients, 1 1, here it is 4 4. Now this is 4C1, this is 4C3, and this is the middle term. Okay, whenever you see in a binomial expansion, they are means first one, last one, second one, second last one, third one, third last one, like that they will be similar, same numbers will come, coefficients will be same there. Okay, so that is a technique we use here in permutation, I mean in binomial theorem formula. So this formula you need to learn when you want to do this expansion of sin n theta and cos n theta. So if I want to just a small one, I will show you. Expand, say expand sin or express cos 4 theta in powers of sin theta, sines and cosines. SINES, sines and cosines. Okay, so if when we want to expand like this, what we have to do is we know only binomial, De Moivre's theorem and this binomial expansion. Okay, so
Cos plus sin
when you
theta
want to
raised to 4.
find out cos 4 theta, just consider. So here consider cos theta plus I sin theta to the power 4. Okay, when it is 4 theta here, we'll be taking 4 here. If 10 theta, take 10 here. If 7 theta, take 7 here. Okay, so whatever number you want, put that number here. So cos theta plus I sin theta raised to 4, this is equal to, by De Moivre's theorem, it is cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta. So by De Moivre's theorem. Let it be equation number 1. Now we will take this left side, that is cos theta plus I sin theta raised to 4. So use binomial theorem to expand this one. Or if you know Pascal's triangle, if you remember that, write the coefficient. Coefficients are going to be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. That means 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. So if you use binomial theorem, or if you remember a plus b the whole raised to 4 formula, use that. So whatever. So this is now cos raised to 4 theta plus, if I use binomial, then 4C1 cos raised to 3 theta and I sin theta. Cos raised to 3 theta and I sin theta, because here A is this, B is this. Okay, B is complete I sin theta. Then plus 4C2 cos square theta, and here always remember to put the bracket. Normally what happens is children do like this. Okay, next step then they will write it as something different only. So
I
always put
square
the
triangle, no?
always put that square here. Okay, plus now 4C3 cos theta. So power of cos is decreasing, I sin theta is increasing. So cos square is here. So now cos theta is here and I sin theta raised to 3. Always the total. This is 4, this is 3 plus 1, 4, this is 2 plus 2, 4, this is 1 plus 3, 4. So like that always that total will be same. So now this is 4C3 cos theta I sin cube, sin theta cube, plus last is 4C4 cos theta is entered here. Now here it is I sin theta raised to 4. Okay, now open this. So this is equal to cos raised to 4 theta plus 4C1. 4C1 is 4. NC1 is n. So 4C1 is 4. Then cos cube theta and I sin theta. I will put that I here. I sin theta. I sin theta plus 4C2 means, just do and see, or in the calculator you will get 4C2 means denominator 2 into 1, numerator 4 and 3, 2 numbers. This 2 means numerator you have to write 2 numbers. So here cancel, 2 3s are 6 you will get. So 6 cos square theta, and this is I square sin square theta. Okay, that is I square sin square theta. Now plus 4C3, as we learned, 4C3 will be equal to 4C, 4 minus 3, 4C1. 4C1 will be 4. Okay, so that is 4 cos theta I cube sin cube theta plus this will be I raised to 4 sin raised to 4 theta. Okay, now here again, now we have to remember something more, that is I is equal to IC2 I is square root of minus 1, then I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus
Minus
I, means I cube is actually I square into I, but I square is minus 1, so I cube will be minus I. You need to learn this. I raised to 4 will be plus 1. I raised to 4 is I square into I square. I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, now I raised to 5 onwards, this will repeat. I raised to 5 is, I raised to 5 will be I, then I raised to 6 will be minus 1, I raised to 7 is this, I raised to 8 will be plus 1. We know all multiples of 4 will be plus 1. So you need to remember that also. So this is equal to, we will just write it. So cos raised to 4 theta. Now collect all that terms with I. Okay, so plus I into here 4 cos cube theta. Actually, you can remove this step. Okay, here itself I square minus 1, put minus 1, I square equal to minus 1, you can make it negative. So cos cube theta, anyway, being the first
मैम
question,
ये
sin,
सेकंड स्टेप समझा नहीं मेरे को.
which step? This step?
ये सेकंड वाला, ये cos 4 थीटा
This one?
प्लस I 4 cos 3 थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा, वो समझा नहीं.
This one?
आपका कर्सर नहीं दिख रहा है. ये नहीं, इसके ऊपर वाला.
Yeah, this one?
हाँ वो ये पूरा स्टेप समझा नहीं.
4c1, what is 4c1? 4c1 is 4 cos cube theta sin theta. Just I am rewriting it. Then 4c2 is how much? 4c2 is 6 cos square theta, square of I sin theta the whole square means I square sin square theta. Okay, 4c3 is how much? 4. This you need to calculate. 4c3.
वो मैं 6 कैसे आया वो नहीं समझा मेरे को कुछ.
4c2 is equal to 4c2. Calculate this. 4c2 means denominator you will have 2 into 1, numerator you will have 4 into 3. So 2 3s are
ओके
how
ओके
much?
समझा
6.
समझा.
So this is equal to now I this, and I square is minus 1. So minus 6 cos square theta sin square theta. Then I cube is equal to minus I. This I cube is minus I. So minus I into 4 cos theta sin cube theta. Plus now I raised to 4. I raised to 4 is plus 1. So that is sin raised to 4 theta. So now we got this is equal to, okay, so this is, we'll take it as equation number 2. So this is cos theta plus I sin theta raised to 4. Okay, so now our first equation is cos theta plus I sin theta raised to, or equation number 1, cos theta plus I sin theta raised to 4 is equal to cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta. And now we got cos theta plus I sin theta raised to 4 is equal to this. Okay, now both LHS are same, so we are going to equate the right side. So equating 1 and 2, or from 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and 2, what you will get? Cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta is equal to, here cos raised to 4 theta, I am just arranging this, cos raised to 4 theta, I am writing terms without I. Okay, then this will come, then this minus 6 cos square theta sin square theta plus sin raised to 4 theta, and plus from here I terms, I into 4 cos cube theta sin theta, then this one minus 4 cos theta,
4 be common.
4 be common, sin cube theta. Okay, so this you got. Now we are asked, means question is express cos 4 theta. So we need cos 4 theta. So equate the real part. If we need sin 4 theta, equate the imaginary part. Suppose tan 4 theta is asked, then we know tan is sin upon cos, sin 4 theta by cos 4 theta. So if tan 4 theta is asked, you need to equate both. Okay, we will have some problem like that. So then we will say that. So here equating the real parts. Equating the real parts on both sides. So equating the real parts on both sides, we will get cos 4 theta is equal to, here, cos raised to 4 theta minus 6 cos square theta sin square theta plus sin raised to 4 theta. Okay, so this is cos 4. Now sometimes it will be asked, express cos 4 theta only in terms of cos theta. In that case, what you have to do? Replace this. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Here again 1 minus cos square theta the whole square. So like that, then you simplify that and you will get it only in terms of cos theta. Okay, so now this is cos 4 theta in terms of sines and cosines.